Welcome back to Rugged Rescue. Today I'm going to be working on getting this shaker mounted to the hood. There's several different ways I've seen people do it. I don't want to do any of those. So the supports on this hood, I'm going to attach a bar to it and then support it off of the hood. And I'll show you when I get it done what it looks like. I don't know if it's the best way, but it's the way I'm going to do it. So it's going to work. Alright, I measured across the back the length I need. I'm going to go cut this bar, and then I'm going to mark the holes where I want the holes, and I'm going to drill this bar out and put nutserts in it to hold the back of this shaker part up to the hood. Alright, I got it in there. I just kind of got it mocked up in there now. I'll probably put a lock washer and stuff like that on it to keep it from getting loose. But I just got to build the front part now. Something like that right there. I just got to build this. All right, we got it all mocked up and fabbed up and in there. And let's see, I got that bar that's going across the back, holding the back up. And I made a little hook right here. Of course, it's not all the way tight. I just got it, but it's in there. And it should be fairly centered. Yeah, not too bad. Push this back over some. It's a little better. Not bad. I don't know if it's the right way to do that, but that's the way I did it, and it seems to be working. Thanks for watching.